Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile cutting machines on the market, the Silhouette Cameo 4 plus 15-inch version. This powerhouse from Silhouette America is a game-changer for craft enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Silhouette Cameo 4 Plus sets itself apart as the ultimate tool for precision cutting. With its ability to handle materials up to 15 inches wide, including vinyl, cardstock, and fabric. It offers unmatched flexibility for various crafting projects. Let's start with its built-in roll feeder, designed for effortless cutting of vinyl and heat transfer materials directly from a roll. This feature streamlines workflow, making large projects a breeze. The machine's dual carriage system is another standout feature. It not only detects the type of tool being used but also adjusts cut settings automatically through Silhouette Studio software, ensuring precise results every time. Enhanced by a dual motor system, the Cameo 4 Plus operates up to 3 times faster than its predecessors without compromising accuracy. Carriage 1 utilizes a solenoid motor for intricate cuts, while Carriage 2 provides increased cutting force for thicker materials. One of the most innovative aspects is its matless cutting capability, allowing you to cut materials like cardstock and paper without a cutting mat, thanks to smart tangential technology. Additionally, the second-generation Silhouette Auto Blade with a single tap reset simplifies blade adjustments, optimizing efficiency. In conclusion, the Silhouette Cameo 4 plus 15-inch version is more than just a cutting machine. It's a creative powerhouse engineered to elevate your crafting experience. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, its unmatched speed, precision, and versatility make it a must-have in any craft room. That wraps up our overview of the Silhouette Cameo 4 Plus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product critiques like this one. Until next time, happy crafting!